Welcome to our detailed video on the Brother SE2000 Embroidery machine, a cutting-edge combination machine that offers both sewing and embroidery functionalities. If you're passionate about both crafts or just looking for a machine that can do it all, the Brother SE2000 might be exactly what you need. In this video, we will break down its features, usability, and tips to help you get the most out of this powerful machine. Introduction to Brother SE2000. The Brother SE2000 is designed for versatility, offering the best of both worlds, high-quality sewing and precision embroidery. Whether you're creating clothing, home decor, or custom embroidery designs, this machine is equipped to handle it all. It's perfect for hobbyists and small business owners who need a reliable machine that delivers professional results. Key features of the Brother SE2000. Number 1. 5x7 inches embroidery field. The large embroidery area is ideal for more detailed designs and larger projects. Number 2. 193 built-in embroidery designs. Choose from a wide variety of floral, geometric, seasonal, and character designs, with plenty of options to unleash your creativity. Number 3. 241 built-in sewing stitches. Includes a diverse range of basic, decorative, and utility stitches for all your sewing needs. Number 4. 10 monogramming fonts. Personalize your projects with unique monogram styles using the easy-to-use fonts. Number 5. Wireless design transfer. You can transfer your custom embroidery designs wirelessly, making it easier than ever to add new designs. Number 6. 3.7-inch LCD color touchscreen. Preview and edit your designs with precision before stitching. This large touchscreen gives you full control over your projects. Number 7. Automatic needle threader and thread cutter. Makes setup and finishing quicker and easier so you can focus on your projects. Number 8. Drop-in bobbin system. Jam-resistant bobbin setup for smooth and consistent stitching. Pros of the Brother SE2000. Number 1. Combines sewing and embroidery functions in one machine. Number 2. Large embroidery area, 5x7 inches, is great for bigger designs. Number 3. Wireless design transfer adds convenience and modernizes your workflow. Number 4. 193 built-in embroidery designs and 241 stitches provide a huge range of creative options. Number 5. Easy-to-use touchscreen for editing designs on the go. Number 6. Perfect for both beginners and experienced users. Cons of the Brother SE2000. Number 1. The higher price may be a bit steep for beginners just starting out. Number 2. The 5x7 inches embroidery area is great, but professionals might want a machine with an even larger field for more extensive designs. Number 3. Learning to use all the advanced features may take time if you're new to embroidery machines. Tips for using the Brother SE2000. Number 1. Use high-quality thread. To get the best results, always opt for high-quality embroidery thread that matches your fabric. Number 2. Experiment with built-in designs. Start with the built-in designs to get a feel for the machine's capabilities. Number 3. Take advantage of wireless features. Use the wireless transfer option to import your custom designs quickly and easily. Ideal projects for Brother SE2000. The Brother SE2000 allows you to complete a variety of projects, including Number 1. Custom embroidery on clothes, bags, and accessories. Number 2. Creating unique home decor items like pillows, curtains, and tablecloths. Number 3. Personalized gifts with monograms or custom embroidery. Number 4. Sewing garments from scratch using the 241 built-in stitches. Conclusion. The Brother SE2000 embroidery machine is a fantastic machine for those who want a combination of sewing and embroidery capabilities. With its large embroidery field, wireless design transfer, and intuitive touchscreen, it is perfect for hobbyists looking to expand their creativity, as well as small businesses needing high-quality output. Need custom embroidery designs digitized? If you need custom embroidery designs digitized, look no further than Digitizing.com. We offer fast, high-quality embroidery digitizing services, perfect for transforming your designs into stitch-ready files. Our expert team provides free edits and quick turnaround times so your designs will always look perfect. Let us help you bring your creative ideas to life.